For more of our educational video tutorials, do subscribe to our CEC Educational Videos channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification. Hello everyone, I'm Shovarno Datta, Senior Software Faculty of CEC Head Office. Hope you have been fine and following all the video tutorials and practicing in your home as well. So in today's class, we'll be looking at the solution of the tasks for your HTML programming parts, okay, that was given to you in previous video tutorials. Okay, আগৰ যিখিনি ক্লাसेছত আমি লাষ্টৰ পিনে টাস্ক চাইছিলো এইখিনি আজি সলিউশন খিনি কৰিম আশা কৰো তোমালোকে ট্ৰাই কৰিছা ঘৰত আৰু এবাৰ হলেও প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিছা so if not then we will looking at the solution today. Okay, so if you haven't solved it till now, we'll be looking at these solutions today. So the first practical task was given to you, this one. Okay, you were given to recreate this page. Ekhini page aku tumar nijor pora banabo disilo. It had header tags, it had image tag, then some text, and in the bottom there was one hyperlink text. Okay, when you click that hyperlink text, it will take you to the page, okay, where you can find the entire poem. Okay, the poem we are looking here is not complete. For the full poem, when you click that hyperlinked text, you will get to that part. So this was just an example to show you how you can make simple web page using just HTML tags and with the help of its attributes and HTML tags. Okay, so this is the code of the page. Okay, it had HTML tag, head tag, usual jikhini tags thake ekhini to ase, then body, background color dia hoise. Okay, background color, this is the background color. Okay, we give solid colors names. I mean usually do blue, yellow. This is another format of showing your background color. RGB format use kori ekhini combine kori tumar ekhini background color dia hoy, to aru eta format hoy. Then the header tag. Okay, this is the header tag with color blue, underline, it has an underline. Okay, then comes your image tag. Image is also a hyperlinked tag. Okay, what happens when you click this image, it will take you to a page where you can find find more details about the poet. Okay, this is just an example to show what you can do in combination of all the tags. Okay, so rest is all your similar paragraph tags, paragraph align, center, color apply kora hoise. Okay, tomaloke ekhini you all can pause this video here and copy the code and try it on your own. Okay, it's not that exactly ekhini tuma ekhini koribo lagibo, ekhini as a example loi loa, you take it as an example and try to fill with different text, different image, different color, different styles, etc, etc. Okay, the usual ami etu class loke jiman khini tag use korisu ekhini use koriye ami ki korisu ekhini page create korisu. So this is the code. Okay, you can pause the video, note it down, apply it on your own. Okay, so next was this table tag. Okay, table tasks, sorry. So in this task you were given this table, you were asked to solve this table. I hope you have tried it once at your home. Jodi kora nai, then no problem. Aji ami solution khini sam. Okay. Usual HTML body tags ase. Then your table tag. Table with border 2 of size 2, width and height of the table. These values can change and you can apply it on your own. You can nije kiba border width height set koribo para. Then this is the TR, first row. Okay, consists of TH tag. You can also give TD tag. Difference between TH and TD is that when you use TH tag, the texts, whatever text you write within your TH tag, all are automatically central aligned. TD karone tumalogok TH are automatically central aligned hoy, and for TD you have to apply align property. Okay, hami sab etia revise korim ebar ke, and text khini ebar ako revisit korim. So this is the code of this table. Okay, usual only second row te of eta change ase. Second row ki ase A, then O. Oth ki ase col span 2, row span 2. Rest is all usual. You can, again, I will ask you to note this down and apply it on your own. Third table was this one. Okay, we were told to solve this table. Ekhini solve koribo dia asile. Okay, ekhini ki asile, ekhini again border moi agoto 2 to 3 loi saisu. With height all of changes and height khini changes. So first row ki TH, first row only entire 1 and 2 ase. 1 not attribute ki apply hoise row span attribute, row span of 4, and in 2 we have applied col span of 3. Col span row span ki differ hoy, row span covers the part of row section combine kori diye, and col span ki kore columns sections kini combine kori diye, 3 columns of space combine kore, aru row span 4 dile 4 rows or space ekeloge combine kori dise. Yate row close, second row start. Second row means this one, first 3, second 4, third 5. Okay, row close. Third row 6, 7. 6 ot ako 2 rows of spaces combine hoise ekone col span 2. So yate tomar third row, first, second, third complete hol. Then last row first item kini number kini ki hoy 8, second item kini ki hoy 9. 9 e ki kori ase again 2 col span apply hoise. It is combining space of 2 columns, so col span 2. Okay, next task was you were asked to solve this frame set table or duta task this dia hoisile, ekini duta task or solution chalo. Next, frame set or solution kini sam. Okay, this was the first task. Ekini solution kini tumalok ulabo dia hoisile. Hope tumaloke try korisa ebar, jodi kora nai no problem, aji ami ekini solution etia sam. So what was the problem with this frame set? So frame set ki hoisile 3 row sections of divide hoisile. Okay, 30, 40 and 30%. Okay, first row again it is divided into 2 frame sets of sizes, column sizes 20 and 80%. 20 and 80%. This is 20, this is 80. এটোৰ কাৰণে খালি frame লোৱা আছে, এখানে খালি frame লোৱা আছে. Frame set, what was frame set actually? Frame set divides your browser window to multiple sections, and in each of these sections you can insert other documents. Okay, ekhini to just pattern ami show kori aso. So ekhini eta benefit hoy eta frame set use kora ki tumi eta single window beleg documents insert kori show koribo para. So 20 to khali frame into khali frame. Next comes your 40% of frame kinit ki hoy empty. It is empty, so single frame use kora hoise. Third frame set ki hoise for third frame set 40, 30 and 40%. 40, 30 what? Calls. Okay. 40, 30 and 40% columns. For 40% section, it is again divided into rows. Okay. 50%, 50%. Empty frame, empty frame. Okay. For this 30%, this frame is empty frame. And for this remaining 40%, again it is divided into 50, 50%. See. Empty frame, empty frame. All frame set close respectively. Okay. Second solution. The second task was you were asked to solve this frame set. Okay. So this is the code for this frame set. Kenuka divide korasile 25 and 75 in column sections. Okay. 25, 75 frame set. For this empty frame and for the 75%, see 25 remaining 75. For 25% is empty, and in 75% you are again applying multiple frame sets. Okay. See, again for this it is divided into 4 sections of 20 each 25%. 25, 25, 25, 25. First 25 section of first 25% is empty, so empty frame use kora hoise. Second frame karone again it is divided into calls of 33% each. 33, 33, 33. Empty frame, empty frame, empty frame. See, empty, empty, empty. Frame set close. Third 25% section of karone, again it is divided into 66 and 34%. Okay. See, this one is 66, this one is 34. For this an empty frame, for this again an empty frame, and the last 25% section into this frame set part. It is again divided into column sections. 34%, 66%. Empty frame, empty frame. Okay, that's how you solve it. Again, let you pause the video and you can copy this code and apply it on your own. Okay. This one is new. I've used tables to design this. Okay. I would like you to pause the video once and try it on your own. Okay. Now let's look at the code for this table. It kind of resembles your what? A house. Completely table tags use kori ekhini eta design bana hoise. Tomaloke ebar nije try koribo para. Then tumi code khini sabo karone ahibo para. Tomaloke. So ki kora hoise HTML body tag, table tag use kora hoise of simple one border with height applied, and alignment is center. It is central aligned. The table is central aligned. For first row TD table data, TR is table row, TD table data, call span 6, and background color is applied. Okay. Individual table cell karone background color is what? Red. Row close, second row again TD, call span again 6, background color yellow. Then third row kinike olop tomar adjust kora hoise. First TD background color is blue. Okay, then for this part, this that is quite similar to a door, it is of background color brown, then remaining is blue. Okay, any part, this is all first, this row, this part is your this row, and then this row any part blue এইখিনি জায়গাটো এইখিনি row table data combine কৰি লৈছে. Okay, then your last this row. Okay, the row span two row spans combine, two row spaces combine होइছে, two call spaces combine होइছে, background color yellow रखा होइছে, again background color yellow, two row space, two call space combined. Okay, tr close, table close, body html both close. So that's it for today. I would like you to post your doubts in the comment section if you have any, and like you to practice all the video tutorials that is being provided to you by other faculty members. So that's it for today. Aku log pam pisot. So আজি কাৰণে ইমান থাকক. Thank you.